Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to Crypto Space. In today's video we are going to cover Pepe, its recent price action. Of course we are going to cover a couple of interesting metrics for Pepe as well as many of interesting charts for alts, so we can understand of what we can expect from Pepe in coming days and weeks. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And a quick disclaimer that this video isn't a financial advice. But alright, now let's have a look at Pepe itself. So Pepe is currently trading at 0.05 cents of a dollar and is currently experiencing a dump of 17.5%. So market cap is currently trading at 3.6 billion USD and 24-hour trading volume is sitting at 2.5 billion USD. So if we are going to look at that chart, that looks very ugly, but I do believe that is just a beginning for Pepe. And if we are going to look on a daily, the whole market is pretty much experiencing a dump. So I don't think this is something to be worried about, because obviously these pullbacks during the bull cycle are normal and healthy. But right, let's have a look at holders for Pepe at the moment. So as of the time I'm recording this video, it is 15th of March. So let's have a look of what happened in the last 2 days ever since I have updated you on Pepe last time. So on the 13th of March, we sat at 183.7 thousand holders for Pepe, and at the moment we've got 186,000 roughly. So we have around 3,000 holders more for Pepe. Perhaps it's not a lot, but bear in mind that these are only obviously 2 days, and of course that's always something. So more and more people accumulating. And now if you are thinking that Pepe is boring, let's have a look at what Pepe is doing ever since it came out on the market. So in April, right away it printed over 9.5x of profits. May 74%, June 29%, October 43%, December 18%, February last month was very juicy, 2x, and March, as of now, we've got another 2x. So I don't think that Pepe is boring. This pullback is very, very healthy. So alright, let's first of all have a look on what is happening on the daily for Pepe, right? So the first things first, we do have to understand one fact is that Pepe did 8x ever since 25th of February. So Pepe obviously needs some time to breathe, right? And now the first level for pullback that I would anticipate, that would be around that one over here, and that would be another 20% if we are going to experience a further dump. But we also have another support, which is 20-day moving average. So Pepe looks safe at the moment for in the daily. And if we are going to look at 2-hourly time frame, let's see on what is going on. So as we can see on the 2-hourly time frame, 50-day moving average supported us for a while. However, the selling pressure was definitely bigger, and as we can see here now, the next support is 50-day moving average. So hopefully we are going to stop over here. However, if Pepe is going to dump further, I'm not really worried about it, because I know that it's going to be a great opportunity to buy Pepe on the dip. If we are going to compare it to what Dogecoin did, right? Let's have a look. I know that this is a previous bull cycle, but I would compare Dogecoin to Pepe because I believe these are two biggest meme coins. I know that there are many meme coins, right? But I do believe that Pepe is comparable to Doge. But right, let's have a look. So as we can see here, after that big pump 2x for Dogecoin, we saw a sell-off, right? And that sell-off took a while. So if we are going to compare it to Dogecoin, and let's say that we can compare first Dogecoin's big pump to the current pump that we have experienced. However, Pepe's pump was around 8x and Dogecoin is around 2x. Nevertheless, these are first major pumps for these coins, right? So if we are going to look, after Doge did 2x, Doge consolidated for 28 days. So that's pretty much a month before it saw new all-time highs and new pumps. So I'm not saying that Pepe is going to consolidate for a month, but that's obviously something healthy, right? Because if we are going to see over here, that wasn't definitely the end for Doge. That was just profit taking and consolidation before the next inflow of money. So that is something that I'm anticipating now. If we are going to see the dump, as I said before, that will be 20% over here in the first major level of support for Pepe, and the second one is going to be 50%. I do believe that if that is going to happen, that is going to be a great opportunity for us to scoop up some more Pepe before the true pump is going to kick in. And if we are going to look at Bitcoin's rainbow chart, we are still in hodl area, yellow area, which is of course before the halving. The BTC is before the halving, so of course we cannot expect Pepe to go 100x immediately. By the way, if you are interested into keeping your Pepe safe outside of exchanges on which anything might happen, make sure that you check out Tangent Wallet. So Tangent Wallet is a cold storage wallet which is allowing you to keep your Pepe safe, but most importantly not only Pepe, because it supports many different projects. And of course it has a lot of safety features that you can check out on the website, but the best feature that I like, my personal favorite, is the fact that once you are going to buy your Pepe or whatever, you can send it back to your wallet and you don't have to send it back to exchange when you want to sell it, because you can swap it in Tangent Wallet app. So I do believe that this is a great deal. With my discount code you can get -10%, and the link is in the description down below. And now if we are going to look at BTC obviously printed all-time highs, and we are above these all-time highs. We are consolidating above them. However, if we are going to compare now BTC with alts, as we can see here, BTC already printed new all-time highs and alts are still lagging behind around 34%. So that is not necessarily bad, because we still have a little bit of time to accumulate our Pepe or whatever project we believe in. And now this chart was created by the Scalping Pro, so shout out to the Scalping Pro. In every Bitcoin bull market, prices often take several short-term pullbacks before reaching its peak. Currently, price is up 378% from its bottom at 15,500. We've already witnessed 4 pullbacks of around 20 to 22%, and a few more such pullbacks are likely as the price continues to rise towards its peak. And of course, these pullbacks are healthy, so don't be shaken out, guys. And if we are going to look at Pepe, coming back to Pepe, I'm not the only one that thinks that Pepe is going to see further pullback, because Mr. The Scalping Pro is thinking similar things, so shout out again. And again, if we are going to reach these lower levels over here at major level of support for Pepe, there's going to be a great opportunity to purchase some Pepe on a sale. And if we are going to look at this important metrics that was created by El Crypto Prof, so shout out to El Crypto Prof. The DXY US dollar index has recently made a lower high on the monthly chart. I believe the upcoming crash of the dollar will be much bigger than in 2017 or 2020. So of course guys, if the DXY is going to drop significantly, we are going to see an inflow to BTC and of course alt. So you can just imagine how much of money is going to flow into Pepe, the king of the crypto meme coins. And on the top of that, Bitcoin's dominance top has been confirmed and is about to begin its downward trend. So if we are going to see a further rejection over here on BTC's dominance, once Bitcoin dominance is going to drop further, that's going to give a chance for altcoins to pump properly. And if we are going to look at the Wall Street cheat sheet, we are roughly in optimism area at this bull cycle. So we are going towards belief, thrill and euphoria, which means that we still have a little bit of time to cash out on our crypto bags and of course our Pepe. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching that quick Pepe update. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I wish you having a great day or evening wherever you are in the world. Peace and love, crypto.